Welcome to the General Chemistry 2 class. This section is on electrochemistry. This lesson is about electrolytic cell. Let's begin. In this lesson, we will apply and explain the electrode reaction during electrolysis. Electrolysis is a process in which electric current is supplied to a system to allow a spontaneous redox reaction to occur. Electrolytic cell is an electrochemical cell in which electrolysis can be done. Like a galvanic cell, an electrolytic cell has two electrodes, the anode where oxidation occurs and the cathode where reduction occurs. Thus, electrons flow in an electrolytic cell from the anode to the cathode. The battery or power source are supply electricity into the cell. The applied electricity must meet the minimum voltage needed for the reaction to occur. The positive terminal of the battery must be connected to the anode since electrons are withdrawn from the anode by the battery, and the negative terminal must be connected to the cathode since electrons are supplied into the cathode. Wire or external circuit connects each electrode to a battery terminal. It enables the flow of electrons from the anode to the cathode. The electrolyte solution is the source of ions. In some cases, molten electrolyte, for example, molten sodium chloride, is used in the cell. Ions allow flow of electricity since they are charge carriers. Thus, they make the solution a good electrical conductor. Unlike in galvanic cell, no salt bridge is needed in an electrolytic cell, since both electrodes are submerged in the same electrolyte solution. The decomposition of water into hydrogen and oxygen gases is non-spontaneous reaction. At 25 degrees Celsius, the Gibbs free energy of reaction is 447.2 kilojoules per mole. Thus, the reaction can be carried out by electrolysis. Shown on the left is a cell for the electrolysis of water. Graphite is used as the inert electrode. The liquid to be electrolyzed contains 0.1 molar sulfuric acid to serve as the electrolyte. Electrolysis starts as the battery are connected to the battery. The reaction is manifested by evolution of gas at both electrodes. At the anode, water is oxidized to oxygen. At the cathode, hydrogen ion is reduced to hydrogen. The overall cell reaction and standard cell potential for the electrolysis of water are as follows. The standard cell potential is negative 1.23 volts. Note that the cell potential must be negative in an electrolytic cell. The value of the standard cell potential implies that the battery must supply at least 1.23 volts of electricity into the solution to cause the electrolysis of the water. Note that the volume of the hydrogen evolved at the cathode is twice as much as the volume of oxygen produced at the anode, consistent with the elemental composition of water: 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. To summarize, an electrolytic cell is an electrochemical cell in which a non-spontaneous redox reaction occurs by supplying electric current. Thank you. Welcome to the General Chemistry 2 class. This quiz is about electrolytic cell. Let's begin. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10.